Yes, I do think it is a disgrace that Chris Whitty's fluffer and, of course, full-time COVID fearmonger Jonathan Van Tam is now working for vaccine giant Moderna. During the pandemic, JVT was our Deputy Chief Medical Officer. He's also on the COVID task force, which helped to decide which vaccine companies got contracts. Moderna was awarded 17 million doses initially, and we were told that it was OK for use in the under-30s. JVT was happy to stand next to now widely discredited modelling, which in my view terrified people and made it more likely that they would go out and get a vaccine. He was also very quick and very keen to tell us how effective the vaccines were at stopping the transmission and the spread of the coronavirus crisis, which in turn would have also made it more likely that people would have gone out and got the vaccine. I believe we've got a little clip of this.
Actually, what the vaccines have done is they've prevented now, in total, since we got them, 22 million cases of COVID infection and 60,000 deaths. So, that's truly massive.
Now, in the wake of the OxyContin scandal in America, it is very clear to me, at least, that Big Pharma cares more about profits and selling its product than it does about public health, and it is very, very OK with blurring the lines between the regulators and politicians in order to get there. Now, it's important to say that Jonathan Van Tam has not done anything illegal, and there's no indication that he's been compromised whatsoever. But for me, this looks and smells absolutely terrible. And the next time that there is a public health emergency, and mark my words, there will be one, the public, you, me, everyone we know, needs to be absolutely certain that the bloke standing on that stage telling you to take a vaccine is not going to end up working for the company that sells those vaccines in a couple of years' time. Those are my views. I'll toss it over to you, Darren.